Welcome to the channel. This is how to use manual camera settings in Open Camera. So guys, this application will be available on the Google Play Store into your device, and just simply download it and just simply open it up. And right away, you should be able to see here a permission request. So just simply tap on allow, and from here you could just simply tap on OK. So pretty much over here, you will have additional settings. So at the top, you could lock the exposure. As you can see, when I tap on a specific area, it will lock the exposure. And the second tab will be exposure compensation. And now you could also tap on the three dots. Then you will have here multiple tools that you could use for your camera. So pretty much over here, you could have a manual settings for your camera. And this is a very basic application. And you will have the gear icon, which is the settings on the top right. And you will have your multiple options as well. And you could change the photo settings over here. And you could adjust the image quality, the image format, and the HDR tone mapping. So pretty much this application will help you out customize your camera based on your preferences. And pretty much this is a beginner friendly application which you could use. So guys, that's pretty much it. I hope this video helped you understand more. If you do, leave a like. Thanks for watching.